Understanding Unable to Save Money, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a phrase that you might have heard or used but might not fully understand its nuances. Unable to save money. Whether you're managing your finances or discussing life's challenges, knowing how to use this phrase properly can make a big difference. So, let's get started. When we say someone is unable to save money, we're talking about a situation where a person finds it difficult or impossible to keep money aside for future use. This doesn't necessarily mean they're spending recklessly. There are many reasons why saving money can be challenging, such as low income, high expenses, unexpected emergencies, or even lack of financial planning. Understanding this phrase is crucial because it touches on everyday life and financial literacy. Saving money sounds simple in theory, but in practice, it can be quite difficult. Let's break down some common reasons why people might be unable to save money. High cost of living. In many places, the cost of basic needs like housing, food, and healthcare takes up a large portion of income, leaving little to save. Low income. Simply put, if you're not earning enough, it's hard to save. Unexpected expenses. Emergencies like medical bills or car repairs can wipe out what little savings one might have. Lifestyle choices. Sometimes, the temptation to spend on non-essential items can outweigh the goal of saving. While it might be challenging, saving money is not impossible. Here are a few tips to help you get started. Create a budget. Knowing where your money goes is the first step to controlling your finances. Cut unnecessary expenses. Evaluate your spending habits and cut back on things you don't need. Emergency fund. Start small, but start. Even a little savings can help in unexpected situations. Financial education. Learning about finances can empower you to make better decisions and find ways to save. We hope this video has shed some light on what it means to be unable to save money, and how you can tackle this challenge. Remember, understanding your financial situation and taking small steps towards improvement can make a big difference in the long run. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more English learning content. Happy saving, and see you in the next video.